What is the classification of membrane switch keypad? Membrane switches are closely related to our lives, such as medical equipment, instrument equipment, electrical equipment, etc., which are all membrane switches used. Then, what are the common classifications of membrane switch keypads? The classification of membrane keypads is described below. 1. According to the combination method, membrane panel and circuit. 2. According to the circuit substrate, flexible board and rigid board. 3. According to the shape of the panel, flat or three-dimensional. 4. According to the operating experience, non-inductive and inductive. 5. According to special purpose, no touch type and touch screen type. More info visit www.jcftechnology.com.